Hello guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel. We will be visiting Amboseli National Park, this time round for game drives, while going round seeing elephants grazing around the swamps. Amboseli has an endless underground water supply, filtered through thousands of feet of volcanic rock from Kilimanjaro's ice cap, which funnel into two clear water springs in the heart of the park. The park is known for its great elephant herds, and our guides are experts at teaching our guests about these animals' complex social interactions. Covering a combined area larger than the island of Jamaica, Amboseli is home to high populations of game, although its sheer size makes every wildlife encounter rewarding. One of the area's most special sightings is its black elephants, dyed by the acha-rich swamp mud. During the game drives, you may see and encounter the elephants moving from the swamps in the evening to more bushy areas. While elephants may well be the main event, the park's other creatures never fail to provide a stirring, supporting performance. Lumbering hippos wallow in the shallows of the marshes and lakes during the day, emerging to mow their way through the park as the heat dissipates. Herds of zebras and wildebeest dominate the plains, while shy Thompson gazelles nibble their way around the legs of towering giraffes. We come across this hippo. Hippos are most active at night when they forage for food. They are herbivores and eat mostly grass. In just one night, they can guzzle down up to 35 kilograms of their favorite grub. At Amboseli, we will book you in at a nice camp like the Kibo Safari Camp, Serena Camp and many more nice camps and lodges. For more information about this safari and more, feel free to write to us on info@explorerkenya.com. Thanks for watching, see you on the next video. Asanteni.